In today's video, I'm going to teach you need a second brain in Notion to centralize your knowledge, reduce mental clutter, and boost productivity by creating a single, organized system for notes, tasks, and resources. This helps you capture ideas quickly, manage projects efficiently, and connect disparate pieces of information, which combats the forgetting curve and frees up mental bandwidth for creative work and focus. Think of a second brain as a trusted place outside your head where all your information lives. Notion is perfect for this because it lets you build one reliable hub for everything: notes from meetings, articles you want to read, project details, and even your goals. When your knowledge is centralized, you're not hunting through scattered apps or random files. You have one home base where you can store, search, and actually use what you know. Offloading information to this system immediately reduces mental load. Instead of trying to remember every idea, link, or to-do, you capture it once and move on. That frees you from the stress of holding everything in your head and gives you more energy for the work that truly matters. You'll also feel a direct productivity boost. By consolidating tasks, notes, and projects in one place, you eliminate the friction of switching tools. Your process becomes simpler and more consistent, which means fewer missed details and more momentum. To make capturing effortless, set up a low-friction entry point. In Notion, a simple quick capture page lets you jot ideas without thinking about where they belong. Add the Notion web clipper to save articles, quotes, or research in 2 clicks. The key is making capture so easy that you'll actually do it, even when you're busy. Where Notion really shines is in connecting information. Use databases and links to relate notes, resources, and tasks to the projects they support. Those connections turn random information into a knowledge network, so insights surface when you need them. You start seeing patterns, and ideas become more useful because they're contextual. This approach also helps you fight the forgetting curve. When you save what you learn and review it periodically, you retain more over time. Keep summaries and highlights, link them to relevant projects, and revisit them when you plan. That light touch of review cements learning without overwhelming you. Finally, a structured system brings clarity and focus. You can see what needs attention, what can wait, and what aligns with your priorities. With your second brain in place, you spend less time organizing and more time creating, thinking, and doing.